I'm in the mood for some banana pancakes this morning, and I have a banana that is very ripe, almost overripe, probably overripe. I have an egg, and I have some flour and a little bit of sugar and some water, and I'm gonna make some banana pancakes. And this is my Dash Mini Griddle. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. It's heating up right now. It's probably hot. But that's ready to go. I have a Pyrex container. I like using these because they have a nice spout and it makes it really easy to pour a pancake batter into the Dash. Yeah, this banana is super ripe. I'm gonna add an egg. I'm adding just a pinch of sugar, just a little bit of sugar. I know the banana is very sweet. The banana itself is very sweet. I just like to add a little extra sweetness. I get a fork and I mash the banana down and I beat the egg at the same time. Banana is super soft. That looks good. I like adding nutmeg, just a few pinches of nutmeg. Nutmeg goes really great with bananas. It's traditionally an ingredient in like banana bread. It's also the taste of old-fashioned donuts. If you ever have really good old-fashioned cake donuts, they always have nutmeg in them. Now I'm adding some flour. I'm adding a heaping tablespoon of flour. I'm gonna stir that in. We're gonna see what it looks like. If I like the consistency, we'll go with it. If I want to make it thicker, I'll add more flour. So what holds this pancake together is really the egg and the flour. That really forms the majority of the structure. This is pretty thick right now. The more flour we add to this, the more structure the pancake will have. I'm just going to add like another heaping tablespoon of it. If you only make a pancake with the banana and an egg, it comes out super light and airy, and sometimes it's difficult to like flip it over. Not that we need to flip it over in this mini griddle, but the pancake will have more structure if you add more flour to it. But this is good. Right now, this has, it's like a cake batter consistency, which is really nice. So here's the mini griddle. Just gonna move this over here. We're gonna pour some on here. This should make a few pancakes. So I want to leave some room for it to kind of grow and expand. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna shut that and we'll be back in about 3 minutes to check it out. It's been 3 minutes now, so let's open this up and look at what's going on here. Look how great that looks. I just want to see if it's firm. I'm gonna let it cook maybe another minute. Actually, you know what? Let's look at the other side. Maybe we want to flip this. Do we want to flip it? That looks really good. Let's just flip this and we'll cook it for 1 more minute. Okay, it's been another minute and I would say this is done. That's what it looks like. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to put that on the plate. And let's make another one. I didn't have to put any butter or oil or anything on the griddle. You can if you want to. It is non-stick. So there we have the batter. I'm going to shut this. I'm going to let this cook for about 3 minutes also. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Let's open this up. See how on top the only part that gets browned is the part that actually touches the top surface. I'm going to flip it over. Look how beautiful that looks. That looks so good. And I'm going to cook this 1 more minute on the second side. Now, cooking in a mini griddle is not always the fastest way to cook things. It is the most compact way. It's really small. It's great for small spaces, and it's really portable. So it's great for traveling or for cooking in a dorm room, an RV, hotel rooms, that kind of stuff. Places where you don't have a lot of space, and also where you don't want to bring a lot of big equipment with you. And the ingredients that I'm using for these banana pancakes, they are shelf stable. Bananas are kept at room temperature, flour is kept at room temperature, and you can keep eggs at room temperature for a few days. Obviously they last longer in the fridge, but they do last at room temperature for a while. So if I was going on an overnight trip or a weekend trip, and if I wanted to make my own pancakes for breakfast, I could easily throw some eggs in a cooler along with the rest of these ingredients and it would be fine. Okay, it's been another minute, and let's take this one out. They do kind of deflate after a while. The other side looks a bit better. It's our second pancake. We're working on a nice stack of pancakes here. I think this is only going to make about 3 pancakes, which would basically be perfect. That's like a really perfect breakfast. Okay, it looks like this third one might be a bit thinner than the others. And there's the third one. Might be a little bit thinner than the others. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Flip this one. Cook that 1 more minute. Okay, it's been a minute. Let's open this up. It looks so good. Add this to our stack of pancakes. Don't those pancakes look great? I'm gonna unplug this mini griddle and let's make the pancakes. Let's pretty them up. Let's make them picture perfect. So we'll add a pat of butter on top, and you have to have, butter's starting to melt. Have to have some, look at the butter, there it goes. We have to have some maple syrup. I have some cranberry maple syrup, which is really good. Let's pour it on the stack. Kind of drip it down the sides. There goes the butter. Can we bring the butter back? Bring the butter back. Okay, let's cut into this stack of pancakes. They're really nice. And that's what they look like. I can't wait to taste them. They're so good. I love the flavor of the banana and the nutmeg. It is so good. I'm totally going to enjoy this breakfast today. Thanks so much for watching this video. If it was helpful for you, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. And thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.